Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best car diagnostic scanners. Automotive Diagnostics meet cutting-edge technology when it comes to car diagnostic scanners. As an indispensable companion for car enthusiasts and automotive mechanics alike, these tools allow you to take a look at the intricate workings of your automobile with maximum precision and ease. To keep your car roadworthy at all times, here are the best car diagnostic scanners available today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth car diagnostic scanner in our list is the ANCEL BT310 OBD2 scanner Bluetooth, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Let's get one thing straight. The scanner is an excellent tool for diagnosing your car's health. You can connect it to your smartphone via Bluetooth 5.0 or use its supplemental panel display. Additionally, it comes with a heater vent mounting kit and a magnetic backplate, allowing you to use it as an auxiliary instrument to conveniently monitor battery voltage or engine speed. With real-time engine data displayed in graph format, the ANCEL BT310 provides valuable information such as oil temperature, pressure, fuel consumption, VSS, and intake air temperature. It also records driving time and distance, enabling analysis of driving behavior and providing reminders to correct bad driving habits. Beyond its monitoring capabilities, this scanner offers a range of useful functions. It can read and clear fault codes, close the CL, perform DTC searches, conduct oxygen sensor tests, and generate various reports. Plus, it features voice alerts that notify you if any set value goes above or below the desired range. In terms of compatibility, the ANCEL BT310 is designed for over 98% of US cars manufactured from 1996 onwards. It also offers compatibility with European and Asian vehicles from the year 2000. Efficiency is key, and this OBD2 scanner excels in battery management. It boasts a sleep function which helps conserve battery life when not in use. In terms of size, the ANCEL BT310 measures 2 by 1 by 5 inches and weighs 1.3 ounces, making it portable and easy to handle. Now let's address a limitation. Some users have found the instruction manual challenging to understand. As a way around this, we recommend doing some online research for additional support and guidance. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for individuals on a budget due to its affordable price point. The fourth car diagnostic scanner in our list is the FOXWELL NT614 Elite OBD2 scanner, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. This Level 3 scanner by FOXWELL can read 4 systems: engine, airbag, transmission, and traction. Aside from these 4 systems, this unit can also retract your parking brakes, enabling you to service the brakes. Additionally, it features an oil change maintenance light reset function with instructions on how to perform it yourself, tailored to your specific car model. Covering all the basics of an OBD2 scanner, this unit allows for engine scans and transmission scans and features an SRS ABS code reader. These features allow you to pinpoint why the warning lights are on and find the faults or errors yourself without needing to take your car to the dealership. It's also worth noting that the NT614 features a diagnostic tool that merges PID graphs for detailed diagnosis. This includes the engine load, parameter of the engine's speed, reference voltage, battery voltage, gas distribution, engine running time, transmission temperature, engine coolant temperature, and more. On top of that, it can also be used to read and clear codes, live data, IM readiness, O2 sensors, onboard monitor, and more, allowing you to foresee potential problems even before they happen. For versatile compatibility, the NT614 works with more than 60 car brands and more than 1,000 models of American, Asian, and European vehicles. Size-wise, it measures 12.99 by 2.95 by 9.44 inches and weighs 2.16 pounds. Now, one area where the unit falls short is its user-friendliness, especially for those who are new to such systems. The complex interface might pose a challenge for beginners, limiting its suitability for seamless and intuitive operation. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for detailed troubleshooting, all thanks to its 3-level functionality. The third car diagnostic scanner in our list is the Autel scanner MaxiCOM MK808S, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. A true force to be reckoned with in the realm of car scanners, this model offers highly efficient operation with its large data storage capacity, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, and impressive 5,000 mAh battery life. Equipped with a large 7-inch screen, it provides a clear and user-friendly viewing experience. Versatility is a key feature of the scanner, as it boasts an extensive database covering 99% of vehicles across 150 brands. With compatibility for over 10,000 models, it excels in performing more than 20 maintenance resets, module cooling, bidirectional capabilities, relearns, and much more. It reads and clears codes, provides ECU information, displays live data, and performs active tests, ensuring comprehensive functionality. Thanks to weekly updates, the Autel scanner MaxiCOM MK808S remains compatible with the latest 2023 car models and upcoming 2024 models, ensuring its longevity and relevance. The user interface of the scanner deserves special mention. Its easy-to-navigate menus are thoughtfully laid out, allowing for smooth operation. Its instant one-touch response, supported by a powerful processor, ensures maximum operating speed and responsiveness, enhancing the user experience. What's more, the Autel scanner MaxiCOM MK808S offers anti-theft functions, enabling you to perform tasks such as deleting lost car keys, adding new keys, matching a new remote control, resetting the IMMO ECU, and much more. Size-wise, it measures 9.45 by 1.38 by 5.91 inches, providing a compact and portable design. Just a heads up, the Autel scanner MaxiCOM MK808S comes with a premium price tag. However, given its advanced functionality and comprehensive features, it is undoubtedly a worthwhile investment. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for individuals who are very particular about monitoring their vehicle due to the impressive number of features it offers. The second car diagnostic scanner in our list is the INNOVA 6100P OBD2 scanner, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. At first sight, the INNOVA 6100P OBD2 scanner is a no-nonsense tool designed to efficiently scan your car. When your checked engine light illuminates, it displays fault codes with DTC severity, quickly identifying the error warning. It features a convenient one-press hotkey for easy operation, ensuring a hassle-free scanning experience. Additionally, the scanner shows live data such as engine coolant temperature, fuel injector pulse width, RPM, spark timing, and more, providing valuable insights into your vehicle's performance. One additional feature worth mentioning is the INNOVA 6100P's ability to erase and read ABS, SRS, and transmission codes specifically designed for popular US car models dating back to 1996. This capability significantly enhances its versatility and utility, making it a valuable tool for diagnosing and troubleshooting various vehicle systems. Equipped with code security levels, this tool swiftly determines whether your vehicle requires immediate attention or if there is sufficient time to address the issue at a later stage, allowing for informed decision-making. With its battery and alternator test function, the INNOVA 6100P enables you to assess your vehicle's charging performance, providing valuable information about its electrical system. The live sensors allow for data graphing, facilitating intuitive diagnostics and monitoring. What's more, it offers the flexibility of being used with a compatible mobile device via its application, in addition to its built-in display. This feature enhances convenience and accessibility for users. Now let's address a minor limitation we observed with this scanner. The buttons on the device require a slightly firmer press to register. Don't worry though, because it doesn't significantly impact the overall functionality and performance of the scanner. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for beginners due to its ease of use. The best car diagnostic scanner in our list is the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 car diagnostic scan tool, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. We're finally at the #1 spot on today's list, introducing the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro, a model that allows you to understand your vehicle like a pro mechanic. The BlueDriver's enhanced diagnostics grants you access to various information regarding your vehicle, enabling you to read and clear ABS, airbag, SRS, TPMS codes, and more. Additionally, it provides various reports that detail a list of possible causes, reported fixes, and a number of other suggestions specific to your vehicle's make and model. With live data feedback, you'll be able to monitor your vehicle's overall health and view all the essential information in real time. The unit displays each data source as a digital display, gauge, or graph for easy viewing. You can even log and export its live data as a file so that you'll be able to show it to professionals. Alongside its primary functions, this unit offers a range of additional features tailored to modern needs. For example, it includes a smog check feature to determine your vehicle's compliance with emission tests, real-time monitoring to ensure optimal operation within recommended parameters, and a useful freeze frame capability that captures a snapshot of your vehicle's condition when the check engine light activates. These features enhance the unit's versatility, make it well suited for the demands of contemporary vehicle maintenance and diagnostics. On top of all its remarkable features, an iOS and Android app allows you to connect your mobile phone to a large database of repair tutorial videos with detailed instructions on how to do quick repairs. Size-wise, this unit measures 2.2 by 1.9 by 1 inches and weighs 2.08 ounces. We did find one limitation though. The BlueDriver does not support VAG cars that are not intended for the North American market, so it's essential to consider this factor before making your purchase, especially if you own a VAG car not manufactured from North America. The trusted shopping guide team recommends this for pro mechanics. Its wide range of features makes it an ideal choice for professionals in the field. And there you have it, folks, our best car diagnostic scanners, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next car diagnostic scanners roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that it can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshop great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.